This is me having lunch with some locals in Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu, India. I love India, and unfortunately going there is not an option today. But I want to address a request from Jensir Hamid in India. Jensir commented on one of my recent videos. He writes like this: please share some thoughts and ideas about this situation. What will be our future economy? What will happen to third world countries? What kind of opportunities can we find in India, especially for middle class people, small businesses, etc. Okay, here we go. First of all, I always tell people that the future is not to be predicted, it is to be created. Success will not be about predictions or good guessing. Future success is always about a true understanding of the current situation. And of course, action. So I'm not too much into predictions. Perceptions, however, are very interesting. No matter how much social distancing, we are still social animals. And if enough people have a feeling, that might give us a hint about that thing we refer to as self-fulfilling prophecies. We all believe the bank will go bust, so we hurry to withdraw all our money to be safe, and thereby the bank does in fact go bankrupt. So let's try to understand the situation. And again, this is focusing on India and the developed world. This is the CMIE index of consumer sentiments. I'll leave a link down below. Sentiments, that means perceptions. Perceptions of households and their current and future economic well-being. And as you can see, the proportion that are optimistic about the future is extremely small, 2-3%. Half of the respondents believe things are much worse than a year ago and will go down even further. And of course, this is not just a feeling. Economic growth is down and unemployment is up everywhere. Most developing countries in the double digits. And then there is the virus. India now has almost 1 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 and tens of thousands of new cases every day. We still don't see the curve flatten, so it's fair to say that tough measures and all the lockdowns this whole spring have failed to contain the virus. So millions of people are scared, sick, unemployed. There is really nothing positive to say about the current situation, other than it probably can't get much worse. And then to add on this, one of the major differences between developing and developed countries is the lack of social security and support from government. To me, this is where the opportunity lies. I would start by asking myself, how can I serve? How can I help people who are scared, make them feel better about the future? How can I ease the pressure of the ones who are sick or help people stay healthy? How can I help unemployed people find a job? In the end, helping others is what business is all about. If you truly understand what people need, then you have a great business idea. And now millions are in need. There must be at least thousands of new creative ways on how to help them. You don't even need a business plan or a business model. Just start and go from there, and then adjust on the go as you go. If you and your business is of value, you will be valued. So for the first time in many, many years, middle-class people and small businesses in developing countries have this huge opportunity to shift focus. To shift from how to make money in a consumer-driven economy to how to help people in a desperate situation. I don't underestimate the challenges, but who knows? Maybe this is the start of a new era of entrepreneurs and business people who measure success by how much impact they make, not just rupees. I hope that was of some value to you, Jenser. Gave you 1 or 2 new thoughts. And remember, the future is not to be predicted, it is to be created. Thanks for the question. Namaste. And I wish you the best of luck. India needs you. The world needs you. I need you. If anyone else out there have a question, a comment, or if you want to add something, please go ahead in the section down below. And also, if you want more, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll see you in the future.